Hi, I'm Bhavya. Today I'm going to tell you one short story about challenging star Darshan. Challenging star Darshan is a powerful Kannada film actor known for his performance in action-packed role and his immense fan followings. He has made his doubt in the film industry in earlier 2000 and he has since become one of the leading stars in Kannada film industry. Darshan fans often refer to him with the little challenging star as a mark of respect for strength. Both on screen and off screen, he is known for his powerful screen pressures, intense roles, and his dedication to fitness and action scenes. Some of his well-known films include Kariya, Jai Kannada Raja, Santa, Strength Forward, and Challenging Star Darshan. His contribution to Kannada cinema has made him to prompt figure and he has earned several rewards and over a year Darshan movies are loved for their actions, drama and mass appeal making him one of the top star in Kannada film industry. Thank you.